foolishness me get. Look. Nice and clean, something me get.
Come on, find
I'm using it from now.
What you asking?
Yes, I'm going on Baba Tunde 99.
Social media.
Speak up. Why? Pawdna Jah boss is here.
Pawdna Jah.
Hey, I'm going to get a little talking with it because I have something to do. Don't run with me. Don't run with my boss.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health is wealth and your health is your wealth. So maybe going to please take care of it. So I say eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Shirley, I say I want big up yourself, big up each and everybody. So I say it's a Bex, big up. Yes man, I don't know. Correct. Big up yourself, Soji. See? Yes man. Now if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell if you consider doing so. So I say make sure you click the bell. See, so you get that alert when I post a new content and turn on the notification. If your notification is not on, you won't get the alert. Zanzan? Yeah man, that man say so. Yeah man, big up everybody. Now my viewers and subscribers, in this episode we're going to talk about Jah Cure. See? Yeah, and also Pawdna Jah run, Pawdna Jah run. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So big up Mr. Nigel Clark was in the House of Parliament or the Jamaica House. And he mentioned Pawdna Jah. That's to show you that Andrew's voice has been heard and they all are watching from both sides. The two parties them are watch. None of them are sweat because they know Andrew have them file. You see what I say? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So after the break, we're for
Corona. Wife left mate in a coma. Poor people production. Wow. Kick it. Trouble again. Me say girl you are the wife and it official. You now have no time for cheers with no dirty girl.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. I don't know, Big Boss Rhythm is out now, you know what I mean, on all digital platforms. 5 young artists, they put it, you know what I mean, with some solid tune. You see what I say? Yes man, so you can have a listen and give a feedback which song you like or who could I do better or whatever. As you know your support is highly appreciated, and your feedback means a lot. Your feedback counts, is valuable. You see what I say? Yes man, so the Big Boss Rhythm, all courtesy of Poor People Production. That's it? Yeah. So now my viewers and subscribers. Pawdna boss. Watch them little clips here from the Pawdna Jah family. Zine. Mumma son, big up yourself and I don't know Karen, big up yourself and big up all of the Pawdna Jah compatriots them. You see me I say? Yes man, so watch where I go on.
What I'm gonna say, Roger, is you know what was the sentiment on the ground yesterday? You live right then. What? Them Pawdna Jah.
But Keisha get her Pawdna Jah.
Yes man, so you see Nigel Clark say Keisha get her Pawdna Jah. I don't know who is Keisha, but Keisha get her Pawdna Jah. So everybody at jump and say, yes, Pawdna Jah mentioned it at the House of Parliament, Jamaica House. Andre, keep up the great work, brother. They might try to fight and shut you up, but keep the great work. Keep up the great work. Don't stop. You know you have our support. You see, big up Talking Man TV, same here too. But there you are around. We are around with the Pawdna Jah movement. See, because we are part of it. About Pawdna Jah. You see me look up for the Pawdna Jah song. You see me I say, so what's some reaction you know from the females them? I'm one part of Jamaica.
Yeah, you're supposed to miss me. Mumma son get to a Pawdna Jah, the one with the lineup. Ready, money fresh, Lara, the whole works and the Pawdna Jah. We need it. Social media will want it, bad.
Where you want?
What's the Pawdna Jah?
Pawdna Jah. Come on, Mama son. Ready want to Pawdna Jah to for what my papa.
Yes.
Hustlers Paradise.
You know what? Coming out to the man.
Ajay, you look mixed up, you know. You leave me alone. I like social media. I don't
Show for the neck,
Show
roll,
for the day.
yeah.
Mama partner Jah.
Partner Jah.
Tell them Mumma son.
Partner Jah, run.
Partner Jah run.
Superstar boy there. I am at the gymnastics.
Okay.
I did.
Hey, come here.
No, she not get
Come
it.
tell Nigel Clark.
I'm friend, me now.
Our friend, what you want to do?
So you don't want your minister here?
Call me, we call him and him call me, now tell me out. Friend, I wouldn't angry, I'm not telling you. I'm terrible about it.
No, him our friend, he love me. I Nigel Clark love me. We not give him a bad name. But when we get to Jah, you know, if I call him now, like when me hear say Jah go run, I go call him, and I go get my Jah. Ready to get fair Jah. All of we run and we get to Jah. When me like Ghana, him can call and ball too, and me not tell Andrew assist me. Straight.
Bless
So,
you.
I'm a good boy. Good my people.
Media. What's supposed to miss me?
Mumma son.
CC are very festive.
Yeah.
We know what the time is when it come on to
What?
Mumma
Nice
son.
clean body
People
wash.
love her. They cure them go on and them fight. Mumma
Watch
son is
out.
for the people.
Nice
Social media. And to come. Otherwise us.
Karen.
Auntie Karen.
From Jewsland.
Teacher, nice clean some more. Another foolishness me get. Look. Nice and clean, something me get.
Come on, fight.
I'm using it from now.
What you asking?
Yes, I'm going on Baba Tunde 99.
Social media.
Why?
Partner Jah, boss, is here.
Partner Jah.
Hey, I'm going to get a look at talking with him. We can buy
Long
something to
time.
drink. Don't run with my boss. When him get bigger, I want to go on. I can't ask to drive up for me. As a mama
Limousine.
son, for all your work and delegation.
Limousine.
Angela, Mr. Clark, I see you on TV talking about Keisha get a partner. I wonder if it's joining one joining partner movements, or you're talking a truth about Keisha. I need my draw too, Mr. Clark. It's full time now. I need my partner draw. Mama son checking in, checking out. Larry don't want your partner draw. Long time.
Where say you want your partner Jah?
Yes, so she pretty. She want her
Yeah,
partner.
live right?
Your mother,
Clark.
No, pretty sister.
Should be seeing on the green.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You see why I go out the people about them partner draw. So all who want them partner draw, don't stay silent. You see me I say? Make sure you come out and join forces. You see me I say? And reach out to Andre, help him. He need assistance in some form of way for help in business survive. You see me? Or even for help pay off his loan. Yes, me I said it. He needs help. Andre needs help. He might try to shut him down, he might try to sabotage him. You see me I say? In every form of way. You see? So if you want your partner join a better Jamaica, join forces, don't sit back and criticize and stay silent. You see me? Yeah, so big up partner Jah team one more time. Yeah man. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. See what's time now. Jah Cure. Alcock. Sika Cure. Alcock. Jah Cure. His fate lies in the judge's hands and the jury hands on the 22nd of March. We all over the world, fans, families, you know, Jamaicans, will be waiting and anticipating, hoping and praying, sweating and fretting in the best interests of Jah Cure. You see me? Yes, his fate lies in the judge's hands because right now the prosecutor go hard. Prosecutor said premeditated 8 years. You see me? And Jah Cure lawyer said, boy, Jah Cure never intended to draw the knife and stab. He just wanted his money. You see me? No, you can't make 2 wrongs make a right or 2 right make a wrongs. Papa wrong, Papa should have paid the man because a business. You see me? You can't book a man to come to Europe and then you work them and don't pay them. You see me? And Jah Cure wrong. Jah Cure wrong for draw the knife, the weapon, especially out of his country. In a Europe. Where you know say strict measures is here, you know, when it comes to law and crime in England, well in Europe, you don't play in Europe, and you see me, so Jah Cure wrong, you should have think before him act, and the people around him will go up on tour with him, couldn't hold him and talk to him and say Jah Cure easy. See, remember, I know my viewers and subscribers. Let me know if I talk fear in the comment section. See, Papa wrong. Papa, you're wrong, Papa. You see me? So we link the source and panic ground to you know. You should have paid the man and Jah Cure wrong for stab you. We're glad say you're still there. Because you don't know when you wish that upon no one. You see me? We're glad you're still here, but you know, you feel your pain, so you know your justice, your justification where you want, and the extent where you're going to forget your justification, which is by, you know, seeing Jah Cure behind the bars because it look like other really you never want the money. See, alone money can't buy life. You see me? But yeah. Right now, the 22nd of March, we shall hear, you know, the situation of Jah Cure, the outcome. If you're going to do the 8 years or if you're going to walk or what. You see? Now, the lawyer, the prosecutor, I say, premeditated because he leave out of the house with a knife to power and harm, not to defend himself. You see? Plus, them have 2 witnesses who gave statements. One said them say they didn't see the knife, but them see when Jah Cure move and them see when the victim clutch. You see him get the stab and clutch. The other victim said them see when Jah Cure make the stabbing motion, but them didn't see the knife. Them don't see the knife, but you know them see the motion. You see me? So plus them have CCTV camera footage showing that Jah Cure was the aggressor. Zine. And they also said Jah Cure lied in his statement, said a self-defense, and the CCTV is showing otherwise. Zine. So my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think still, what you think, you know. So I was reading the article from Dancehall Mag, you see me? Yeah, man, you see it? And Jano, well, you just have to pray still, you see me? And boy, you know, Jah Cure head hot, and you know, all me I say still, the man that made around him couldn't tell Jah Cure it's easy. When we sign in Jamaica with it, no man, although Jah Cure head hot, Jah Cure no take talk. You see me? You know, Jah Cure have been in a few altercations and controversy. You know what I mean? In the last year before this reach him, you see me? Just sad, man. And at one point, the judge must say, them don't know him music, nobody don't know him over there. The judge people, them. I said, them don't know him, Bob Marley alone, you see me? Stuck in his head. So I shall show you how big Bob Marley is an influential and powerful Bob Marley. See, so Jah Cure said to the judge, say, well, you should Google my name and see. You'll be surprised to see what you see, you know, to see what you saw. See? That was Jah Cure's response to the judge. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, we just have to pray for Jah Cure, I hope, you know what I mean, for the best, and he can get a slap on his wrist. Don't judge him after him previous conviction that he did behind bars, you know. Yeah, man, so my viewers and subscribers, I just said the thing. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See, that was just my quick feedback on it, my 2 pence, my 2 points. You see me? Yeah, man, so let me know what you think. Them have witness, give statement against Jah Cure, 2 witness, plus the stabbing and the CCTV and all of them things there. You see me? But I don't know, so I go, Black, speak up yourself in the general. Yeah, man, straight, man, is it? Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. I don't know a lion foot with another vlog. I will do it when I boss now brag. I deliver my vlog different from the rest, but I'm still not saying I'm the best. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell and share. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Pawdna Jah, me want me Pawdna Jah. Come now. Pawdna Jah, me want me Pawdna Jah. Them can more than help poor people, but them nah. I know say them can. Them just now want. Yes, man. Pawdna Jah team. Big up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.